Hello, my name is Juan Cruz Veron, and today I'm going to talk about memory strengthening by episodic generalization due to reconsolidation. Alright, so for a quick review on reconsolidation, once a memory has been consolidated, if it is reactivated under certain circumstances, it can become labile again. So if we present a reminder of this memory and then a mismatch or a prediction error to what the person remembers, this memory can become labile again, and it can be either updated in content or strengthened. Reconsolidation has been proved to strengthen the memory, but the range of this strengthening has not been delimited yet. So here, what we call episodic generalization is that we try to understand if the memory of elements showed in the same learning context as the target memory can also be benefited from the enhancement that comes from the reactivation and reconsolidation of the target memory alone. So to study this, we used a protocol, a new version of a protocol that was used previously in our lab and that proved to strengthen target memories through reconsolidation. This experiment consisted in a 3-day protocol where the first day consisted of a training where the participants were shown 12 faces and then they with a corresponding name, and then they were trained to learn, and they were instructed to learn these names, and in the training they saw the face, the first syllable, and then they had to type the entire name. In between the presentation of each face during the training, they were presented with two common objects, and they were instructed to only comment if they believed that the element shown was used mostly inside or outside the house or a building. Then the second day was the reactivation day. So the RC group received a reminder that has been proved before to generate reconsolidation. In this case, the person sees the face and then they see the first syllable, and when they are expecting to hear the cue and see the sign that tells them to type the entire name, they see an interruption sign, and therefore this mismatch generates the labelization and the eventual reconsolidation. The other group, the RX group, received a reminder that was not sufficient to generate reconsolidation. They only saw the face for the same time that the other group, but immediately after they saw the interruption sign. So on the third day, we tested the recognition of the objects. First, they saw the 72 objects that they had seen on the first day, mixed with 72 new objects, and they had to say if the object was old or new to them, depending on if they had seen it on the first day. And lastly, we also tested the retention of the face name pairs to see if the target memory was effectively strengthened. So first we're going to analyze the target memory strengthening, and we see here that on the fourth trial, that is the first testing trial, we see that the RC group presented a significant enhancement compared to the RX group. Therefore, target memory was strengthened by reconsolidation for the group that received the memory reactivation reminder. And lastly, we analyzed the object recognition, and we see that the RC group showed better performance at recognizing the new objects. Therefore, the object recognition was enhanced for the group that received reactivation of the target memory. And therefore, we can say that the strengthening due to reconsolidation also involved memories that were not reactivated but were acquired in the same learning context. All right, that was all. Thank you very much.